Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of science and today I am here with a new chapter number 8, Things Around Us from your textbook. So my dear students, first of all, do you know the meaning of things? Yes, it means object. So students, object around us are all kind of objects and thus identifying them is important. Doors, fans, ball, book, pen, pencil are few objects which are around us. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the things around us. So students, in this chapter we are going to cover topic natural things, man-made things and different types of materials. So students, things around us, some are living and some are non-living. So students, these things are divided into natural and man-made things. It means there are many things around us. Some of them are living and some are non-living. And both these things are divided into natural and man-made things. So students, first of all, we are going to discuss about natural things and man-made things from this chapter. So students, let's get started. All of you open page number 75 from your textbook, chapter 8, unit 4, materials, things around us. So students, look at the picture given below. Now take the correct answer. Students, here you have to look at the picture and take the correct answer. So here first question is, which of the two can eat food? So students, here picture of cat and book is given. Here you have to take who can eat food. So students, you know very well here cat can eat food. It means you have to tick here because cat is a living thing. So she can eat food and book is non-living things. So here answer is option number A. Now students, in second, which of the two can breathe air? So students, here first picture is of flower and second is of rock. So students, who can breathe air? Yes, flower. This because plants are living things and rocks are non-living things. Now students, in next, which of two can move on its own? This is a picture of dog and this is a picture of pillow. So students, dog can move on its own because dog is living thing and pillow is non-living things. Now next one, fourth, which of two can grow bigger? So students, here girl and picture of pulse is given. So students, girl can grow bigger because girl is a living thing. Okay, so I hope you understood this very well. Now let's move on to our next topic from this chapter. So students, our first topic from this chapter is natural things. So first of all students, do you know about natural things? Things around us are either natural or man-made. So students, things such as air, water, plants, animals, rocks, and soil which are not made by man and are found in nature are called natural things. Okay, students? So, here definition for natural things are things such as air, water, plants, animals, rocks, and soil which are found in nature are called natural things. And they are not made by man. They are already found in nature. So these things are known as natural things because they are not made by man. Our clothes too are made of different natural materials such as cotton, silk, wool, or from man-made fibers such as rayon. So students, clothes we wear. In our previous chapter, we had discussed about the clothes we wear. So students, the clothes we wear too are also made of different natural materials such as cotton, silk, and wool. So students, cotton, we get cotton from cotton plant, silk from silkworm, and wool from sheep. So students, cotton plant, silkworm, and sheep are natural things. So they are natural source of natural materials, cotton, silk, and wool that we get from them. Now students, example of natural things are sand, insect, birds, mountain, human beings. All are the example of natural things. Now students, let's move on to our next topic, that is man-made things. So students, things such as books, tables, toys, and clocks which are made by humans and are not found in nature are called man-made things. So students, here the things like book, tables, toys, clocks which are made by human are called man-made things. These are not found in nature. Students, look here at this picture. There is a picture of table, and on the table there is books, toys, clock, index, bag, belt. So students, these are man-made things. They are not found in nature. They are made by man. So these things are known as man-made things. Now students, here is my music player a living thing or a non-living thing? So students, here Frog asked a question that his music player is a living thing or a non-living thing. So students, music player is a non-living thing and it is made by man-made things. So you can say that music player is man-made things. Now students, let's remember, write whether the following are natural or man-made. So students, here name of few things are given. You have to write natural or man-made. So students, you have to write natural for natural things and man-made for man-made things. Okay, so let's do. So students, first one is air. So students, air is a natural thing. So here you have to write natural in the given blank. Now next one is spoon, and spoon is made by man. So here you have to write man-made. Next is sand. So students, sand is or natural things. So here you have to write natural, natural, natural. Now next one is insects. So students, insect are living things that are not made by human or man. So here you have to write natural. Next one is clock. Clock is man-made thing. So here you have to write man-made. Okay. Students, this question is completed now. I hope you understood very well about the topic natural things and man-made things very well by the help of this video. Now in our next video we will discuss about living and non-living things and different types of materials. So students, now you have to read this chapter and underline the hard words that is given here in this chapter. And students, now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Thank you, students. Bye and take care.